Namaste, Dr. K.M. Reddy. Today we will discuss another important issue related to the health of the heart, that is alcohol and heart health. So, how is the alcohol intake related with the heart health? It's a very important issue. All of you agree with me because there is a lot of interest to know what happens if we take alcohol or if we can consume alcohol related to the health of our heart. And also there is a belief in the public that taking alcohol to the moderate quantity is also good to the heart. So these are some of the issues related with this. Let us try to know what exactly is the fact and what is the evidence and how the things work out for an individual on day-to-day basis. So let us see one fact. Many people I can say are interested to consume some amount of alcohol provided it is not harmful. See, some people may disagree with this statement, but the fact is there are some people, considerable number of people interested, provided it is friendly to the heart, friendly to the health. But at the same time, all these people also know that taking alcohol is not good, spoils the health. Taking alcohol also at times dangerous, not only health-wise, financially. There are many interlinked issues with this. Let us not go into that aspect. What exactly happens to the heart if we consume alcohol on a daily basis? Suppose, let us see, if we go on taking alcohol at our convenience, at our wish, will, definitely this strategy, like taking a huge amount of alcohol, taking heavily, probably taking every day a huge quantity, there is no doubt, I need not tell if it is dangerous. So there is no dispute in that, let us not talk about it. And there is also another group, like once in a year or once in blue moon, people take some amount of alcohol, 1 or 2 pegs. Probably this group also not dangerous either way. So let us not talk about that also. There is one concept unfortunately driven into the minds of many people, saying that a moderate amount of alcohol, probably 1 to 2 pegs of alcohol, is okay, is good sometimes, yes, to the heart. Is it so? To tell you honestly, there is no exact science behind this statement, but there are some studies saying that a moderate quantity of alcohol, like 1 to 2 pegs of alcohol per day for an individual, definitely in some of the studies proven to be safe to the heart and also beneficial to the heart. But if you ask me, doctor, do you recommend alcohol to keep up the health of the heart? The answer is absolutely no. Why? Because for people who are taking alcohol, probably taking some amount, little quantity per day may be not harmful to the heart, may be acceptable. But even in these studies also, there is nothing like a proven, like a causal effect relationship. That means this is definitely is good like a medicine for the heart to take. No. They have found some observations that probably people taking some amount of red wine, some moderate quantity of alcohol, are found to have less number of heart issues. Therefore, this observation is made. I'll tell you the deeper parts of this story, how alcohol is really good to the heart. See, it has some amount of antioxidants, it has some amount of flavonoids. Therefore, people think that, oh, it protects the heart, it protects the health of the heart, therefore useful. One more positive effect I'll tell you about the alcohol to the heart. it increases the HDL, that is called good cholesterol. Then people are excited to know about it because, hey, good cholesterol, let us increase it so that it protects the heart. But honestly, to increase the HDL, so-called good cholesterol, one need not take alcohol. There are various other means like simple walking, simple jogging can do the job. You now tell me, it's good to take alcohol or to walk? The answer is very obvious. So, there is nothing like taking a moderate amount of alcohol is going to protect the heart health. But you may also ask me, then why this is? So everybody's imagination. See, one positive factor that got published definitely will take in favor, and sometimes people spread this type of things in the society too. So in a word, see, there are many cardiological societies all over the world. They gave some guidance, some talk about all these things, saying that if somebody is habituated or somebody wants to take or somebody has been taking, probably a moderation of this alcohol quantity may be okay for them to protect their health. It doesn't mean, or nobody in this world from the cardiological society do recommend take alcohol moderate quantity to protect your heart. No. This we need to understand, because there are some facts. I told you antioxidants, we can get it through fruits, fresh vegetables, we can get even the increment in the HDL cholesterol, we can get by simple walking. So there is nothing like only this alcohol is important, other things are not important. Whatever the benefits that are coming out of taking a moderate quantity of alcohol, we can get all those benefits by other means, simple means which are available everywhere. So it is not a medicine. It is definitely, all of us know, a habit that forms an addiction. At least I can say in our country, in our areas, there are many people who are just addicted for this alcohol, spoiling their health, many things. I am not talking about the social aspect, the familial aspect. Therefore, let us forget about whatever the benefit that gives out of the taking moderate quantity of alcohol. But definitely to tell you, a huge amounts of alcohol, huge binge of alcohol sometimes, catastrophic to the heart. It just causes a lot of dangers. Somebody takes, let us say, 5-6 pegs of alcohol suddenly one day. It can sometimes cause a lot of danger. It can produce a real arrhythmia and sometimes really causes a life-threatening issues also to the heart. That is one. And somebody takes a huge amount of alcohol every day as an addiction, definitely spoils the entire health of an individual, leave the heart alone. And even in the heart, unnecessary huge quantities of alcohol produce muscle disorders like a cardiomyopathy. It can produce arrhythmias, as I was telling, can produce a life-threatening arrhythmia sometimes. And generally taking a huge amount of alcohol gives a lot of calories, and there may be sometimes unnecessary calories. It increases body weight and ultimately lead on to something like a metabolic syndromes and the overweight related issues. So therefore, friends, very crystal clear message I want to tell you is, taking alcohol is not a medicine. Moderate quantities of alcohol are found to have some beneficial effects to the heart. Very cautious statement. But it doesn't tell you, or it doesn't recommend that alcohol is good to the heart. Not in that way. So, message what I want to drive from this discussion is, alcohol is not good to the heart and also to the health. So, if somebody intends to take alcohol, answer is no, let us not do it. If somebody has a strong desire to take a strict limited quantity of alcohol, probably they may have some benefit, if not a danger to the heart. It is a soft sign. Again, I am telling, the science doesn't support this statement. Hence, I request all of you, stay away from this, whether it is a moderate or a small or a huge quantity. Stay healthy. Thank you.